The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the construction of a state-of-the-art rail-cum-road bridge across the Ganga River, set to connect the districts of Varanasi and Chandauli in Uttar Pradesh. This ambitious infrastructure project will feature a 6-lane highway on its upper deck and a 4-track railway line on the lower deck, positioning itself as the modern engineering marvel that promises to significantly enhance transportation in the region. During a press briefing followed the cabinet meeting, Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw underscored the urgency of replacing the century-old Malviya Bridge in Varanasi. Built 137 years ago, the Malviya Bridge has long served as a crucial railway link across the Ganga, connecting northern, eastern and western states. However, the route leading to the P.T. Din Dayal Upadhyaya DDU junction is now overstressed, operating at a staggering 163% of its capacity. The newly approved bridge, with a projected investment of 2,642 crore, is anticipated to significantly bolster the region's transportation infrastructure. Minister Vaishnaw highlighted that the proposed multi-tracking initiative will not only alleviate congestion but also enhance operational efficiency, addressing the infrastructural demands of one of the busiest sections across Indian railways. Varanasi railway station stands as a vital node in the Indian Railways network, accommodating a high volume of passenger and freight traffic. It serves as a critical juncture for pilgrims, tourists and local commuters, while also facilitating the transportation of essential commodities such as coal, cement and food grains. However, the heavy reliance on the Varanasi DDU junction route has resulted in severe congestion, necessitating urgent infrastructural improvements to meet the demands of expanding tourism and industrial growth in the region. According to the official statement, the project will entail not just the construction of the new rail-cum-road bridge, but also the addition of 3rd and 4th railway lines along the route. These upgrades are expected to significantly enhance the region's capacity and efficiency, paving the way for improved socio-economic development. The new bridge alone is projected to handle an estimated 27.83 million tons per annum (MTPA) of freight traffic, easing the burden on the existing infrastructure. The project aligns with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a new India, which aims to empower local communities through comprehensive development, creating new employment and self-employment opportunities. It also forms a crucial part of the Prime Minister Gati Shakti National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity, an initiative aimed at integrating infrastructure, planning to ensure seamless movement of people, goods and services across the country. With the Cabinet's approval, the stage is now set for this transformative project to take shape, promising a new era of connectivity and development for the people of Varanasi and beyond.